Dr. Justine, I hear the flu is really bad right now. What supplements would you take to prevent the flu in your household?
Okay, well, there's a lot of things for the flu. Number one, I would get adjusted because I know it seems obvious, but getting adjusted helps your immune system a ton. Your nervous system and your immune system are best friends. So one is off, the other's off, vice versa. Okay, they need to work in harmony together. But number two, these are the things that we have at my house that we take all the time. I would say this. It's called IAG. It's arabinogalactans. So this is really, really good for your liver, for your gut. It's basically a prebiotic, so it's really good for your gut bacteria. It's like the food for your gut bacteria. So whenever you're taking probiotics, I would recommend doing this. But this is just huge for your immune system. Dr. Darren would say all the time, right, when COVID was going rampant, he was taking that constantly, and he never got sick, and we see a lot of people. So that's a huge one for everybody. It's very, very safe for all ages as well, so that's really nice. This is one that my husband takes a lot. Well, I shouldn't say a lot, but whenever he does get sick, he takes this because he's not very good at taking vitamins, but that's okay because this one is really strong. And because it's so strong, you can't take it like when you're pregnant or breastfeeding. So I've avoided that because I was just pregnant not that long ago, but it's really, really good for him and he loves it. It's got a lot of vitamin A in it, a lot of different herbs and stuff as well. So as you can see, that one's flying off the shelf all the time. Let's see, the other stuff that I take, if I feel like I'm gonna get a cold or something, I take this Pneumozyme. This is really, really good for your lungs. This is safe while pregnant or breastfeeding, so that's nice. It's got a good amount of vitamin A in it, which is really good for your immune system. And it's got some vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, SOD, which is superoxide dismutase, so that's also super, super good for your immune system. So I love that, but I also take some vitamin D, so I typically will take vitamin D with K as well, and then of course vitamin C. We've got a nice C complex that actually has multiple types of vitamin C in it. So, I mean, you see stuff all the time, right? That's just, what is it called? I'm blanking for a second. It's like ascorbic acid, right? You see that in everything. It's in like orange juice, right? But ascorbic acid isn't the best type of vitamin C for all people. Even though it's good for you, it's so prevalent in everything that sometimes you need the other types of vitamin C, and that's what this is, and that's why I take this one. But I take all of those together. I take the IAG, the vitamin C, the vitamin D, and the Pneumozyme all together, along with, I take a couple other things. Sometimes I take the HCl support because that will help basically digest things better and absorb things better. Because I don't like to spend all this money on vitamins and not absorb them. And then of course probiotics, right? But that will depend on the certain type of person. Does that kind of answer your question?
Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, there's so many good vitamins and supplements that we have.
Yeah,
and it'll be
absolutely.
good to be able to know which ones to take to prevent.
Yeah, and I mean, anybody can stop by at any time. And I mean, if we're not super busy with patients, we're happy to come and help figure out what you need and what's safe for you to take, with whatever else you're taking. So, yeah, we're always happy to do that.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.